Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Hi my angels, hi my lovelies. Today's video is going to be on my Snapshot DTM bag. So this is my Marc Jacobs Snapshot DTM dyed to match bag, and I just wanted to talk about that today. I recently unboxed this bag on my channel and a couple of you guys were curious and asked me what all could fit. So today I wanted to come back and do a what's in my bag of my lovely Marc Jacobs Snapshot bag. So this is the DTM, the dyed to match version of the bag, and I talked about that originally when I unboxed it on my channel. I absolutely loved that it's very sleek. It's all one wine color. The color of this is wine, and this is what it looks like right here, and it has the lovely Marc Jacobs strap. And it's very, very convenient as a crossbody. And believe it or not, this little camera bag can hold and fit a lot. I like that it has these long tassels right here, and the color of the hardware is the same color of the bag. So that's why it's called dyed to match. It's very sleek, all one wine color, and the J and the J for Marc Jacobs is in the same color, the hardware. So it's very beautiful and I really like it. It says Marc Jacobs at the top. The dimensions of this lovely bag are 7 inches long by 4 inches tall by 2 inches wide. So she's 7 by 4 by 2. So she can hold a lot. So let me go ahead and show you guys how I have my baby packed today. This is the way that I have her packed. In the back compartment right here is where I have some cash and my keys. So in the back compartment, you can see I have some loose cash right there, as well as my 6-ring key holder by Louis Vuitton. So that's what I keep in the back compartment, because additionally in this back compartment, I keep my phone in here with my keys. I have an iPhone 12, and my iPhone 12 can fit in this bag. But it can fit in this bag with no problem. And then in the front part of the bag, in the front of the bag is where I have my makeup items, a lipstick, some perfume, a clay. So in the front part of the bag is where I have my lipstick. That's where I have some perfume. That's where I have some gum. And I have my clay, my Louis Vuitton clay in there, can fit in there very nicely with no problem. And also I have a Marc Jacobs mirror. I would either use this Marc Jacobs mirror right here, my Daisy Marc Jacobs mirror, or I would go ahead and use my Heart Marc Jacobs mirror. So either one of those can fit in the bag with no problem. And that's about it. So that's the only thing that I have in this front compartment. I'll go ahead and pack it again for you ladies. So I have my Marc Jacobs mirror. Let's put the heart one in there. I have my Louis Vuitton clay, as well as some Marc Jacobs lipstick. And then I have some gum in there with me. And my perfume can fit in the front. And this is the way everything is. I have everything packed in the front compartment. That's how everything looks in the front compartment right there, with the mirror, the lipstick, the perfume, the Louis Vuitton clay. And in the back rear compartment of the bag, I have some cash. And then I would put my 6-ring key holder in there. And that's the side or section of the bag that I would also have my phone. And let me go ahead and zip it up. And this is the Marc Jacobs Snapshot in the DTM. I absolutely love this one in my collection. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you ladies what all could fit. Now let me go ahead and show you what the bag looks like crossbody. So this is what the bag looks like crossbody on me. And I like it because, you know, I could push it to the back if I want to, or I could bring it to the front. You know, I have a lot of space and a lot of room. I have it extended fully. So I have it fully extended, and this is the way the bag looks. This is what the bag looks like on me. And it's a very comfortable, cute bag to wear. This is what it looks like. And it came in so many lovely colors. There was a beautiful sun-kissed peach color, as well as other colors on the website. And at the outlet, there were only a few available. not all the colors were at the outlet. So I would say call ahead if you were gonna go and pick this beauty up at the outlet. So thank you guys for joining me for my Marc Jacobs Snapshot bag, what's in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, and stay tuned for more lit videos.